Public speaking tips. Have you ever experienced it? Having to present in front of people can be nerve-wracking, whether it's presenting a project during class or presenting work to an audience. It can make your hands shake, your voice tremble, and your body feel uneasy. Many people encounter these problems, especially those who are not good at public speaking and are not used to speaking in front of a large audience. Many skilled speakers weren't born with the gift of speech, but speaking is a skill that can be developed through practice. If you use suitable speaking techniques, you too can become a skilled speaker. Let's take a look at the 10 speaking techniques that can help improve your public speaking skills. 1. Prepare. Practice your speech and be familiar with your topic. Research your audience and tailor your speech accordingly. 2. Start strong. Begin with an attention-grabbing statement or anecdote that sets the tone for your speech. 3. Speak clearly and slowly. Speak slowly and enunciate your words clearly to ensure your audience can understand you. 4. Use body language. Use gestures and facial expressions to convey your message and engage your audience. 5. Make eye contact. Make eye contact with members of your audience to connect with them and build trust. 6. Use visual aids. Incorporate visual aids such as slides or videos to help illustrate your points. 7. Keep it concise. Stay on topic and avoid going off on tangents. Keep your speech concise and to the point. 8. Practice active listening. Pay attention to your audience's reactions and adjust your delivery accordingly. 9. End strong. Conclude with a memorable statement or call to action that inspires your audience. 10. Keep practicing. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in your public speaking abilities. Don't be afraid to seek feedback and continually work on improving your skills. How about the tips on how to prepare for public speaking? Try applying these techniques to help you look more professional when presenting in front of a large audience. Hopefully, the next time you speak publicly, you will have increased confidence. This is encouragement for everyone who wants to improve themselves. Keep up the good work.